Hello YouTubers. In this video we're going to be changing out the mirrors, the glass part, on my 2009 Saab Aero all-wheel drive. Currently this has, you can't tell from the angle and this time of day, but there's water spots, much like what the car had, so did the mirror. And when you're driving at night or you're driving in the rain, it makes seeing out this glass and the other one terrible. I have to use the side mirror that I put on. So before I make changes, I wanted to go ahead and mark how my mirror was. So I have a, don't know if you can see it, but there is a Sharpie mark on the top indicating that's the way this comes off or way this goes back on when I pull that off. Same thing on the other side, so I know the orientation of that mirror when I go to put it back on. Anyway, first thing we want to do is, I think, rotate it inward. So what we're looking at here is the back side of the mirror, and I just wanted to show you where I'm going to clamp on with my pick. You see my pick going in there, and there's a clamp going around the mirror, and it goes around the bottom to the top. And I've got my pick right there. I'm just going to pull down on that, and that should release the mirror. Now we want to undo our wires for our heated mirror. Just pull those off. What you saw me pulling was this corner here, and I pulled it out. See if I can do this one-handed. There we go. I pulled down at the bottom, but when I pulled out like that with my pick, it loosened it here. Then all I did was kind of walk my way around pulling it off. And you just got to pull it. It's one of those things that's going to take force. Just pull. And then the other one, there's no need to bother with anything. It just snaps back in. This clip locks it in place. So let me get my mirror off, blind spot mirror off, and we'll put it on the new one. I made the heated mirror part connection first. Now we're just going to click it into place. Let's see if we can do this one-handed. Put it in. It's in. Didn't even hear it click. At least I don't think I heard it click. All right, job done. Let's see if it works. Perfect. One down. All right, to get this off, let's move it outward. Let's put our pick behind here and grab that same spot on this mirror. Clicks in very easily, too easily. Anyway, all I got to do now is put back on my blind spot mirrors with the Sharpie mark at the top, so I know how it was oriented, and I should be in good business. So YouTubers, not much to this. One little pick to pull the one area just to get you started, and then pull it off. It doesn't want to come off. It's not going to fall off by pulling that one area, but it's a place to start so that you don't tear up anything else that is behind there. Just pull it. Anyway, YouTubers, if you like the video,